Hey guys, welcome to lecture 5 of this course. In this lecture, we will look at select statement in more detail. As you know, to write select statement, you need two pieces of information. What you want to select and from where you want to select it. So if you want to retrieve an individual column, you will just type in select prod name, which is the column name, from products, semicolon to end the statement, and press enter. Oops, it says project or products doesn't exist. Why is that? Because I made a mistake here in writing the table name. Always make sure you write in the correct table names. So let's do that again. Select prod name from products, and there you go. As you can see, prod name is the column name, and this is all the data that's inside that column, and this has been selected from the products table. Pretty simple, right? Select prod name from products. Prod name is the column name, products is the table name. So what if you want to select multiple columns? If you want to retrieve multiple columns, how do we do that? It's simple. Select prod ID, prod name, prod price, from products. Put semicolon in the end and press enter. Awesome. As you can see, we are requesting 3 columns here from SQL. Prod ID, which is this column, prod name, which is this column, and prod price, which is this column, from the products table. If we change the sequence of these column names, we will get the desired output. And this is what I mean by that. Select prod price, comma, prod ID, comma, prod name. Can you guess what's gonna happen here? Prod price is gonna show up first, then prod ID column, and then prod name column in the end. Let's finish the statement again. From products table and press enter. So as you can see, prod price column is the first, prod ID column is the second, and prod name is in the end. Why is that? Prod price was defined first, then prod ID, and then prod name. So just basically follow the sequence that you put inside your SQL statement, select statement. What do you want to see? If you want to see all the columns in a specific table, how do you do that? It's pretty simple actually. You can use a wildcard asterisk in order to retrieve all the columns from a table. You will pretty much do select star from the table name, which is products in our case, and the statement, press enter. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns in this table. So it's pretty nice to actually use wildcard asterisks. But the thing is, if you have a big database of like thousands and thousands of columns, what's going to happen is if you type in the statement and you're retrieving all this information from your database, your application might get slow. So the word of caution is use wildcard with caution, as it might slow down the performance of the system and the application. The benefits of using wildcard is you can actually know the column names if you don't know the column names already. So that's the benefit, because how do you know how many columns do you have in a table, and what exactly is the name of a specific column if you don't know the name of the column? So as we can see, we have product ID column here, vendor ID column here, product name, and product description column here. So let's write a one more select statement. Select. Let's type in vend ID from products table and the statement with a semicolon, and press enter. Oh, so as you can see in this column, we have the vend ID column with all the rows BRS01, BRS01, BRS01. So we see a lot of repetition in this column. What if you want to remove, and if you just want to see just the unique contents of that column, just the unique rows of that column? So how do you do that? We can do that easily using a distinct keyword in the select statement. And how do we do that? Select distinct column name vend ID from the table products, semicolon, and press enter. Awesome. So as you can see, by using distinct keyword, SQL has removed all the duplicates from that column. So now we are left with all the unique values from that column: BRS01, DLL01, FNG01. So that's awesome. What if you just want to limit? If you want to limit the results from one specific column, for example, we have this statement here: select prod name from products. Oops, I think I messed something up. Again the same mistake. Select prod name from products. What's happening? Typo again. Same typo. Select product name from products. I think I can spell that. Let's see if it's correct. Awesome. This is what I need. So what if you just want to limit your output to just 5 rows? Just 5 rows. If you want to limit your result to just 5 rows. Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 rows right now. What if we just want to limit the output to 5 rows? So how do we do that? It's pretty simple too. Select prod name from the table name, which is products. I think I spelled it right. And we will add a new keyword called limit 5, because we just want to see 5 rows. Limit 5, end it with a semicolon, and press enter. Awesome. So we will just see the first top 5 rows by using the statement. As you can see, we have 5 rows here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So summarizing what we learned today, we learned how to retrieve individual column. We learned how to select multiple columns. We retrieved how to retrieve all the columns from a table using a wildcard asterisk character. And we learned how to retrieve distinct columns using distinct keyword in the select statement. We also learned how to limit the results of an output by using a limit keyword after our from clause in the select statement. So that's pretty much it for this lecture. I'm gonna see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you.